Hey, what's going on? So today we've got another newer General Electric. Yeah, you know how this goes. There's like a 99% chance that it won't work. This is from 2017, I believe. Yes. It's a 6,000 BTU. So, yeah, this is in really good condition. There's nothing obviously wrong with it. Very clean. The back is like perfect. So, you know, whenever I find ones like this, these newer General Electrics, and they're in like excellent shape, they never work. So, anyway, we'll give this a shot. Yeah, it's pretty cool out today, so I can try holding the thermostat if it even turns on. Fan numbers. It's 56. There's cool. Alright, it's probably going to take a minute for this to warm up. I'll come back when it turns on. Okay, the compressor just came on. Sounds nice. Almost looks like a Ricci label. I'm not sure though. Kind of feels cold coming out of here. I'd be very surprised if this works. The coil's getting cold. That is incredible. A General Electric that works. A newer General Electric that works. That is amazing. Yeah, this is getting cold. Air feels quite cold coming out of it. Temperature dropping. And on it. Alright, I'm just gonna have to let go of it. Yeah, this definitely works. Very, very cold air coming out. So that is very, very surprising. I would have bet a lot of money that this would not work, but it does. So that is pretty good. Right, there's low fan, medium, high. The air's really cold coming out of this. It definitely works. Alright, so yeah, I would have bet money that it would not have worked, but it does. So there you go. I guess once in a while you get lucky with these. So yeah, it definitely works. So that's a pretty good score. This will be good to sell. Alright, so there you go. There's a 2017 General Electric with remote control. That's very, very rare to find a remote with them on the street like this. So there you go. See you next time.